Light the candles on the cake. We're gonna celebrate. We got another year, and we're all here.
Hey friends, crumb coating is an often overlooked but very important step to practice when you're learning how to decorate cakes. Here are some important tips to remember when you're adding the first coat so you don't get crumbs in your final result. The cake's out of the fridge and the buttercream is firm to the touch, and now I'm going to trim the sides to make a little bit more room for the buttercream. So we're going to just put a very, very thin layer of icing around the cake, and this is going to trap the crumbs in once we put it back in the cooler and it gets ready for the final coat. Gus, you doing your crumb coat over there?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna ice the top first, all the way out to the sides. So we'll smooth all the way out. And it doesn't matter if you see any cake poking through at this point, this is just the crumb coat. So it's a very thin layer. And then when I ice the sides, I kind of do like a side bend like this. And then you keep your spatula straight up and down. The reason I do this is so that it keeps the spatula straight up and down. Otherwise, if I go like this, it's gonna be really messy. So it's kind of hard to do like this, so you kind of have to go boop. It's like exercise. Okay, now I got the whole thing covered. Like I said before, you can see cake through it, that's totally fine. We're gonna take our scraper now, and we're gonna smooth it all out.
Yours looks way better than mine.
You're doing fine, buddy. There's no mistakes.
I just need a little bit more practice.
It's just cake, remember? So once we have our sides all smoothed, we're gonna use both tools. So I'm gonna use this one to scrape like this, and then we're gonna just come across the top. So we're gonna put our offset spatula on the buttercream and just scrape across. Wipe that buttercream off and move on. So our crumb coat is all done. We're gonna get this into the fridge, and when we bring it out to do the final coat, all the crumbs will be trapped. So I'm gonna put this in the cooler for about 20 minutes. My cake is out of the cooler, and now it's firm to the touch, and all of my crumbs are trapped in there. For more crumb coating tips and to learn all the basics of cake decorating, watch my Jump into Cake Decorating class now on mybluprint.com.